Hey y'all, welcome to the B&B Show.
Today is handy dandy how-tos
With me and you.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Brandi, and today we're at one of our vacant properties to show you guys some maintenance quick fixes.
Come on, let's go. My AC just doesn't feel as cool as it normally does. I wish Brandi was here to give me some advice on how to fix it.
Hey Brittany, are you having some trouble with your AC?
Oh, I am. I have it set to 74 like I always do, but it just doesn't feel as cool as it normally does.
Well, always check your thermostat. It's going to run a little warmer when it's so hot outside, but you want to have it set to auto and cool.
Okay, that's easy enough. And then my property management company told me that I had to change my filter every 90 days. What's that?
No problem. We ship you filters directly to your door, and usually your air returns are going to be in the wall or in the ceiling somewhere around your thermostat. You just open it up, pop your filter out, pop a new one in.
Wow, those are really easy fixes. Thanks for showing me that, Brandi.
Anytime, Brittany.